Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So my intro got deleted. That's why I am filming this right now. I will be showing you how to curl your hair using the NuMe wand. Make sure you are all subscribed to my channel. Make sure to show me some love. Comment down below if you have any questions. And if you're interested in learning how to curl your hair using the NuMe wand, then just keep on watching. Okay, I've been using this heat protector for a while now. They sell it at Walmart, Target for like $8. I'm gonna just grab a tiny little bit because a little goes a long way. It's just to protect my hair, and I'm gonna apply it mostly on my ends and over my hair. And then at the end, I like applying more. So there you go. Parting my hair. I already did that off camera using a comb. And then I'm gonna grab half of my hair, and then I will cut it up in pieces. I'm gonna comb it. I got my straightener, and if you guys have seen my other curling video, this is my favorite straightener. It's the Enso Milano. I swear I've had this for years now, and it works so good. Okay, and I'm gonna grab my wand. I'm gonna face it down like this and go and twist my hair on the wand towards the back. Can you all see? And then I'm touching it with my other fingers to make sure that it's warm. Once I feel like it's getting hot, I let go of it. See how pretty this is? And I'm gonna undo them at the very end. Like, I'm gonna pass my fingers through them just because I don't want those like big, thick curls. I want like those loose, loose, but then at the same time a little bit curled. I don't want like the beachy wave. I'm gonna comb this. I swear this takes like minutes, like probably less than 20 minutes. Face down the curler or the wand, twist my hair around it, and I don't know if you can see, I'm holding the tip of my hair with my fingers. I don't want the tips to be really curled. I just don't like it. So what I'm gonna do is at the end, I'll grab the straightener if like I see that they're too curled, and I'll pass the straightener through my hair once, through the tips once. So I'm just gonna wait. This is good. So this is good. The same thing. Be careful with your ear because you can burn it and it freaking hurts. Oh my god, there was this one time I was curling my mom's hair and I burned her. She was yelling at me. She was telling me bad words. I can't. Okay, so then this wand comes with a glove, but I don't know where the glove is. I'm gonna use my straightener to straighten this section of my hair because sometimes it's like really wavy right here. I don't like it to be that wavy, so we'll fix that like that. That's it. I'm going to twist and turn my hair. Do you all see that? I can feel like the heat. So just a little bit about this wand. We've had it for years. I'm saying we because me and my sister use it. We share a lot of the like our strainers, and you know, we just share things. So we've had it for years, and luckily it's like worked. We've never had an issue with it. Let me knock on this wood because you never know. Looks like I have a tupe, a copete. But yeah, we've had it for a really long time, and we don't use it on like every time we curl our hair. Like you saw in my last video, I use my straightener a lot. But sometimes when you want like really nice curls, like for example, if we're going to a party or something like that, then we do tend to use this one. And I don't know if you can see, but I'm grabbing like big fat pieces of hair. It's faster, and not only that, but I want my curls to be, you know, very thick. I want thicker. I want the curls to be thicker, not thinner. Because if I do like smaller pieces, then I'll have like a lot of curls. I don't want that. Do you see this spot right here? I'm gonna grab my straightener. Ah, my hair itched me. And I'm gonna do this. By the way, I don't know if not a lot of people knew this, but my hair used to be so curly, like curls. Literally, I didn't have to do this. My hair was super curly, and I had a lot of hair, like bien mucho. But then we'll straighten this part right now a little bit. But then my mom decided to take me to the hair salon to get it thinned out because she said I had a lot. Y que me dolía la cabeza and stuff. But now I regret that because I feel like I'm losing hair as I get older, and it sucks. But I've been taking like vitamins, so do you know of anything that I can take to make my hair thicker and grow more? I swear, I wish I can show you a picture of how much hair I had. Like, it was ridiculous. Like, I had so much hair. Okay. One more from this side. So this is basically how I curl my hair. For my cousin's 15, I love the way I did my hair, but and I used this wand. But for that, I did take a little bit longer, just because I wanted like really nice curls, like that I wanted them to stay the whole night, you know. And I put tons of hairspray, and I just love that look so much. If you go on my Instagram, is one of the pictures where like my hair is like como ondulado, like it's like parted on the side and then on this side. And I used this wand, and it was really pretty, my hair. But like, I actually took time to do it. It was like, I took forever to do it because I wanted the curls to be nice. So on this here, I'm gonna cut it in half because and then you feel when it's thick. So on this side, let me show you. So if I do them like this, my curls are gonna be facing my face. So I don't want that. I want my curls to face away from my face. So I'm gonna grab the the wand like this, flip it upside down. You have to like place your hand behind your head and then turn towards the back. Turn and twist your hair towards the back side, and then we just hold it. And you can count or just do what I do. Once I'm not able to hold my hair, then I'll let it go. But you can count. But I really honestly love this wand, the NuMe, and I don't think it was that expensive. Maybe it's even cheaper now. I'll link their website below, and I'll link the wand that we have. I know they have like other different wands, but I'll link the same exact one that we have, just so you guys can look at it and then check the pricing as well. My hair used to be so much longer. I need my hair to grow. I've been drinking vitamins, but it's gonna take a while. It's been a year since I cut it, so Hopefully it starts growing soon. By the way, do you love my sweater? Go watch my previous video. After you watch this one, I did an unboxing of the sweater. I was so excited. It's from ExO. Okay, so I did the same, as you can see. Let me feel it. So todavía no está, it's not that hot, so I'll leave it for longer. If you let go before it's hot, then what's gonna happen is it's not gonna be curly. So just try to leave it there. Count to 20 or 30 seconds. I'm gonna see the other one. So that, like, the minute I put my finger over my hair, it burns. That means it's ready. But let's see how long it takes, okay, for it to be ready. This is a smaller strand. It's okay. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, yeah, 30. 30 seconds. If you want like less of a curl, then do it for less. Let's do 20 on this one. 1, 2. You can count to 20. See, I can place my finger on here for a little bit. See, I don't like that curl, but I'm gonna fix it at the end. I'm gonna straighten this part because this is curly. We'll fix it right now. Okay, we're almost done. Just two more líneas. Make sure to tell me down below if you tried this wand, what's your favorite wand, if you have a favorite one, if you tried other ones. It's smoky. My hair is, put it over here. My hair is smoking. Ow, I burned myself. Remember Fed and the bear? Yeah. We know it's thicker. But this is how I do like these curls. Make sure you are all subscribed to my channel. Make sure to hit that red button. I'll appreciate that so much. One small one. Make sure to share this video with your friends, family. Give it a thumbs up. Oh, that was horrible. I swear this is so hot, you have to be careful. Last weekend, I think I did burn myself with this. So you see this right here? I need to straighten that part. Because I don't want it to look, you know, nasty. We're on the final one. Ugh, I think my hair is all tangled. What the hell's going on back here? By the way, this is my natural hair color. Oh my god, I've dyed it blonde when I was like 15 and then never again. I just love black hair, and you know what, honestly, like when you have it blonde, se mira bien maltratado. So I was like, nope, not again. But sometimes I get like anxious and I want to like change my hair color because it's just so like dark. But then I'm like, no, I like being brunette, right? Do you all agree on that or no? What's everybody's hair color? Comment down below. I want to know if you prefer dark hair or lighter hair. It's always interesting to know because not a lot of people like dark hair. Some people are like, oh, that's so boring. But again, everybody's, you know, different and has their preferences. Okay, we're almost done. Oh my god, I grabbed the same curl that I already curled, but it's okay. So I'm not holding it with my hand, but do you see this like little bulge right here? That's what like holding it like that. Honestly, this is like a arm workout. See how, because I didn't leave it longer, it's not that curled. Gotta put it back. We're almost done. One more. There you go. Do you see the difference? One more. These front ones need to be nice because, you know, they're at the front. Now let me grab my straightener and I'm gonna straighten this part right here, right here, and then I can guarantee you back here is curly. Let me see. But I can guarantee you it's curly. So what I like to do is I like to grab my straightener and do this to make sure it doesn't look like bad, you know. Okay, now I'm gonna add more of this heat protector and oil just to add a little bit of shine to my hair. You don't want to apply too much because, to be honest, you don't want to be looking like como que no te bañaste. And then this is it. Look how pretty and thick. So if you go back to my other video that I did with the Enso Milano, I'm gonna fix my hair right now, like I'm gonna put it up. But if you go watch my Enso Milano video, the way I straightened my hair with my straightener, it honestly was the curls were thinner. They seem really thin, like beachy waves. This is like literally curls, and I feel like there's more volume when I use the wand than when I use the other one. But I love both because it's for different occasions. Like for this, I would do it for like a party, you know, something big. For that, beachy regular waves that you want to do throughout the week. So basically the NuMe wand, I'll link down below the website, the wand. I don't know the price. I believe it was less than $100, but it's honestly our favorite one. We've had it for years. I can guarantee you that I've had it for years, and it works really, really well. So make sure you purchase this one or try it out. Comment down below if you tried it in the past, if it worked for you. I'm interested to know if it's worked for you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and that bell notification on because I will be posting a couple videos. Comment down below any questions and share with your families. Make sure you hit that red button. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.